Welcome to the WilliamHill new member sign-up offer. This is known as a Bet X Get X free bet offer. So if you bet £10, you will get a £30 free bet from WilliamHill. In this video, we'll show you how to make around £22 to £24 in as little as 15 minutes. We'll show you how to open an account with WilliamHill and make your first £10 deposit. Place your qualifying bet to obtain your £30 free bet with no risk involved. Place your £30 free bet to lock in a guaranteed profit from it. And finally, how to calculate your overall profits. In addition to watching this video, you should also read our written WilliamHill sign-up offer guide to understand the key terms of this offer. Here you will find direct links to the WilliamHill sign-up offer page and specific links to Automatcher that you will use to place this bet. Let's now take a look at the steps you must follow in the guide to lock in a guaranteed profit from this WilliamHill free bet offer. Step 1. Opening your WilliamHill account. Click the offer link to go to the WilliamHill site, then click Join Now. As stated in the guide, you must enter promo code C30 to qualify for your £30 free bet. If you manually enter this code, you'll see the key offer terms appear on the right-hand side if you wish to check them. Please fill in your details and double check there are no mistakes, since WilliamHill may ask you to verify them at a later date. Make sure you tick the box to ensure you always receive free bets and promotional emails. After creating your account, you'll need to deposit £10. Click the deposit button in the top right-hand corner of the screen. We recommend that you deposit via debit or credit card, since certain e-wallets are often excluded from the opening sign-up offer. Please enter your card details and deposit £10. Once confirmed, you'll notice your WilliamHill balance increase to £10. By default, the odds at WilliamHill are already set to display as decimal, which makes things easier for us. Step 2. Placing your qualifying bet. To place your qualifying bet, first go to the written guide and review the key steps for this offer. Then click the link to open Automatcher. By default, these results have been pre-filtered to only display matched bets with odds of 1.50 or more. The results can be filtered further to set maximum odds, as well as any specific sports and markets that you only wish to see. If you're a beginner, we advise you stick to placing bets on football, since horse racing odds can change very quickly, whereas football odds tend to remain more stable. Now it's time to make your selection. We will be looking for a close match between WilliamHill and Betfair for the betting exchange. For this example, I choose the Cardiff v Nottingham Forest match, with the selection that Cardiff win. I chose this event since it's a high-profile game compared to the other games, meaning there will be more money available at the betting exchange to easily cover my lay bet. To display the bet instructions, simply click on the corresponding bet row. By default, the bet type will be set to qualifying bet, and the stake amount will already be set to £10. This is the exact amount you'll need to bet in order to qualify for your free £30 bet in WilliamHill. The calculator will then do all the hard work for you. No matter what the bet outcome, I will lose exactly 50 pence from this bet. But for doing this, I will unlock my £30 free bet from WilliamHill. And remember, the free bet is where the match betting profits come in. For this particular offer, we recommend that you aim to keep your qualifying loss below 50 pence. Once you're satisfied with the outcome, it's time to place the bet. We always advise that you place the bet in the bookmaker first, followed by the betting exchange second. We will be placing a bet on Cardiff to win the Cardiff v Nottingham Forest game. Click and expand the blue row to view detailed instructions on how to find the bet market in WilliamHill. For this bet, we must navigate to the England Championship. First, click the link to go to WilliamHill, then click Football, All Competitions, followed by the league. Navigate to the correct match and check that the odds in WilliamHill match the odds shown on Automatcher. The back odds should be 1.50 on Cardiff. Then click on the required selection, in this case Cardiff. The bet slip will appear on the right-hand side. Now go back to Automatcher and click and expand the pink row to view detailed instructions on how to find the bet market in the Betfair exchange. Next, click the link to go to Betfair exchange, Click on Betfair Exchange and enter the team name Cardiff into the search box. Find the chosen game from the list and click on Match Odds. Again, check that the lay odds in Betfair match the odds shown on Automatcher. I'm checking that the lay odds for the Cardiff win are still 1.55, which I can see they are. Remember, the lay odds in Betfair are shown in the pink boxes. Once satisfied, click the pink box to add your chosen selection to the bet slip, and the bet slip will appear on the right-hand side. To place this bet, you will need to make sure you have enough money in your Betfair account to cover the liability. For this bet, my liability is £5.50, so I'll need to make sure I have at least £5.50 in my Betfair account or I won't be able to place my lay bet. If needed, you can always deposit more funds into your Betfair account to cover this, but note the minimum order you can deposit is £10. Head back to your WilliamHill bet slip and click Place Bet to place your £10 back bet. Once it's been confirmed, head back to Betfair to place your lay bet. Check the lay odds are still the same as on Automatcher and enter the required lay stake from Automatcher into the bet slip. In my case, it's £10. You'll see the liability is £5.50. Click Place Bet followed by Confirm Bet to ensure your bet is placed correctly. That's it, I've just completed my qualifying bet and at this particular moment I'm 50p in the red. Not a problem though, as I've unlocked my £30 free bet in WilliamHill with no risk involved. Step 3. Placing your free bet. The majority of bookmakers take up to 48 hours to credit your free bet, but with WilliamHill the free bet is credited instantly. To view our free bets, we just need to add any selection to our bet slip. The process of placing your free bets is very similar to placing the qualifying bet, but with a few slight differences which we'll go over now. Head back to Automatcher, select WilliamHill for your bookmaker. Open the filters and set the sport to football and minimum odds to 5.00. Click Apply Filters followed by Find Bets. We look for selections at odds of 5.00 or above, as this allows us to maximise our returns from each free bet offer. To see which selections offer us the highest returns, we can sort the results via their stake, not returned rating. To do this, simply click on the column header and the highest results will appear at the top. When match betting, with the qualifying bets, we always aim for the lowest possible loss, whereas when betting with the free bet, we always aim for the highest possible return. Pick your selection. In this case, I've gone for the Halifax Town v Tranmere Rovers game, with the selection that Halifax win. I chose this since it's a close match and on an English event, meaning there will be lots of money available to cover my lay bet at the betting exchange. Click on the corresponding bet row to open the bet instructions and this time select your free bet for your chosen bet type. Remember, we're using the free bet this time and not our own money to place this bet. By default, the free bet stake should already be set to £30, and I can see that my expected profit from this bet will be £23.17. Now, it's basically a repeat of the process for the qualifying bet. Expand the blue box to view the back bet instructions and how to find out the correct betting market in WilliamHill. For this bet, we must navigate to England, Conference, and then League. Click the link to visit WilliamHill, then click Football, Competitions, followed by the league. Navigate to the correct match and check that the odds in WilliamHill match the odds shown on Automatcher. The back odds should be 6.00 on Halifax to win. Then click on the required selection, in this case Halifax. The bet slip will appear on the right hand side. Now go back to Automatcher and click Expand the pink row to view detailed instructions on how to find the bet market in Betfair Exchange. Next, click the link to go to Betfair Exchange, click on Betfair Exchange and enter the team name Halifax into the search box. Find the chosen game from the list and click on Match Odds. Again, check that the lay odds in Betfair match the odds shown on Automatcher. I'm checking that the lay odds for the Halifax to win are still 6.20, which they are. Great! Remember to check the liability figure on Automatcher to see how much money will be needed in Betfair to cover your lay bet. Head back to WilliamHill. Now this is where it gets slightly different to the first bet you placed because this time you're using your free bets. Enter £10 into the stake box and select one of your three £10 free bets and click Place Bet. Once the bets are confirmed, click on Reuse Selections and repeat the process to use the 2 remaining £10 free bets as well. Check the required lay stake for Betfair on Automatcher, which in my case is £24.39, and enter this into your bet slip to place your lay bet. Remember to click Place Bet followed by Confirm Bet and wait for confirmation. Congratulations, you've successfully placed your free bet. My profit from my free bet was £23.17. Step 4. How to calculate your profits from this offer. I incurred a loss of just 50p on my qualifying bet to get my £30 free bet in WilliamHill. I then placed a follow-up bet to convert my free bet into £23.17 profit on my next bet, leaving me with an overall profit of £22.67. That's a pretty good return for 15 minutes work. Let's look back at what you've learnt in this video. You've opened an account with WilliamHill and made a deposit, found and placed a qualifying bet, waited for WilliamHill to credit the free bet, found and placed the free bet, and calculated our profits. If you have any questions about this offer or any other offers shown on our site, simply comment with Facebook or post in our community forum where other FB4A members and our dedicated support team are always on hand to help.